Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television. Today we will be showing you cloning, which is when the same person is appearing on the screen twice at the same time. When you use this effect, you can show the same person in two different spots, just like this. Hi Ashlyn. Hi Ava. Did you know that we're twin sisters? What? No, yeah, that's why we look so alike. Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some cloning. So first you will record the video that you need. So you'll record two videos of the same person on different sides of your screen. You need to make sure that you use a tripod or something to keep the filming device steady so there's no creases or differences. So then you will upload it into your WeVideo account. You will go to your media, you will drag down the first video that you would like onto your WeVideo line. I'm using video 4 and video line 3 right now. So you have your first clip, then you will drag down, then you will drag your other clip down to the other line, and you will line them up. Now as you can tell, this line is a little bit longer, so we are just going to crop that right down to equal with the other one. Okay, now it's equal. So now we will use clip 1. You have to take one of the clips and crop them. So you'll go up to this second crop button up here. You will crop it horizontally, right down kind of like a carpet line. So you want it to be able to match up. So if you see this bookcase right here, maybe match along there. So if there's a little bit of bobble, or when you're watching it, if there's a little bit of line, it looks like it's just like a carpet rug or something. So then you will crop it there, as you can see right on the line. Save your changes.